In this video, we want to solve this equation, 4 to the x minus 4 to the square root of x plus 1 equals 3 times 2 raised to the x plus square root of x. First thing we're going to do is we're going to rewrite 4 as 2 squared. So 4 to the x is 2 squared to the x power, which is 2 to the 2x. Same thing as 4 to the square root of x plus 1. That's going to be 2 squared raised to the square root of x plus 1, which we can distribute the 2 and get 2 to the 2 square root of x plus 2. Okay. Now this, we'll break this up. We have 2 to the 2 square root of x plus 2. That's the same thing as 2 squared times 2 to the 2 square root of x, which 2 squared is 4. And then same thing with this. We can break it up into 2. That's just 2 to the x times 2 to the square root of x. Now to solve this, we're going to let a equal 2 to the x and b equal to the square root of x. So this is just a way to simplify it. So 2 to the 2x, that's just going to be a squared. 2 to the 2 root x is b squared. And then this is just a and b. So it's a squared minus 4b squared equals 3ab. We'll move everything to the other side. So subtract by 3ab. And then we can factor this out. So this factors into a minus 4b times a plus b equals 0. So we get either a is 4b or a is negative b. So recall that a was just 2 to the x and b was 2 to the square root of x. So we have, for the first one, a equals 4b, that's 2 to the x equals 4 times 2 root x. Notice that we cannot have a equals negative b because a is an exponential and so is b. Exponential is always going to be greater than 0. So you cannot have something, so you can't have it be negative. So that we'll just ignore that case. So now we just need to solve 2 to the x equals 4 times 2 to the square root of x. We'll rewrite this back. So the 4 we said is 2 squared. And then if you do 2 squared times 2 to the root x, that's 2 raised to the root x plus 2. And now they have the same base. So we'll just set the exponents equal to each other. In other words, x is equal to the square root of x plus 2. We'll subtract by square root of x and 2 to both sides. And then here we can factor. If you want, you can make a substitution. Let's say u equals square root of x, and you'll get u squared minus u minus 2 equals 0. And that factors into u minus 2, u plus 1 equals 0. Or you could just factor it and say square root of x minus 2 times square root of x plus 1 equals 0. So then you just set square root of x minus 2 equal to 0. So that's square root of x equals 2. Square both sides to get x is 4. Notice that if we set square root of x plus 1 equal to 0, we get square root of x is negative 1. And that's not true because square root of x is always going to be greater than or equal to 0. So the final answer is going to be x equals 4.